Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an epic showdown between two powerful motherboards. In the left corner, we have the GIGABYTE Z790 AORUS Elite Axe, and in the right corner, we have the MSI Pro B650M-A WiFi. Get ready for some serious tech talk, and let's dive right into the comparison. Let's kick things off with the price tag. The GIGABYTE Z790 AORUS Elite Axe comes in at $259, while the MSI Pro B650M-A WiFi is a bit more budget-friendly at $199. So, if you're looking to save some cash, the MSI option might be the way to go. But hey, remember, links to both products are in the description below. Now, let's talk about processor support. The GIGABYTE Z790 AORUS Elite Axe is a heavyweight contender, supporting 13th and 12th Gen Intel Core series processors. Meanwhile, the MSI Pro B650M-A WiFi packs a punch with its support for AMD Ryzen 7000 series desktop processors. So whether you're Team Intel or Team AMD, we've got you covered. Moving on to memory, both motherboards are ready to handle the future with DDR5 compatibility. The GIGABYTE Z790 AORUS Elite Axe boasts 4 SMD DIMMs with XMP 3.0 memory module support, while the MSI Pro B650M-A WiFi offers advanced memory boost technology for pure data signals. So get ready for lightning-fast memory speeds on either board. It's time to talk power design, folks. The GIGABYTE Z790 AORUS Elite Axe flexes its muscles with a commanding twin 16+1+2 phases digital VRM solution, featuring 70A power stage. On the other side, the MSI Pro B650M-A WiFi brings its core boost technology to the ring, providing premium layout and digital power design. These boards mean business when it comes to delivering optimal performance. Let's keep things cool with the thermal design. The GIGABYTE Z790 AORUS Elite Axe brings out the big guns, featuring M.2 Thermal Guard 3, fully covered MOSFET heatsinks, PCIe ultra-durable armor, and a 6-layer PCB. Meanwhile, the MSI Pro B650M-A WiFi steps up with a premium thermal solution, including a 7W pad, additional choke thermal pad, and the mighty M.2 Shield Frozer. Say goodbye to overheating worries. Next up, we have connectivity. The GIGABYTE Z790 AORUS Elite Axe offers next-gen connectivity with SMD PCIe 5.0, 4 PCIe 4.0 x4 M2, and USB 3.2 Gen 2x2 Type-C. Meanwhile, the MSI Pro B650M-A WiFi comes equipped with built-in Wi-Fi and a variety of ports for all your connectivity needs. So, whether you're a speed demon or a wireless warrior, these boards have got your back. Last but not least, let's talk about some additional features. The GIGABYTE Z790 AORUS Elite Axe brings easy latch to the table, making PCIe 5.0 installation a breeze with its quick release and screwless design. Plus, it boasts fast networking options with 2.5 GB LAN, Intel Wi-Fi 6E 802.11ax, and BT5 with AORUS antenna. On the other hand, the MSI Pro B650M-A WiFi offers a premium audio experience with its high-end audio capacitor and audiophile WiMA capacitors. It also includes QFlash Plus, allowing you to update the BIOS without installing CPU, memory, and GPU. Isn't that convenient? The GIGABYTE Z790 AORUS Elite Axe and the MSI Pro B650M-A WiFi have received positive reviews from customers. Reviewers praise the GIGABYTE motherboard for its gaming motherboard features, user-friendly BIOS, and overall performance. On the other hand, the MSI motherboard is highly recommended for its performance, stability, affordability, and excellent customer support. Both motherboards have their strengths, so it ultimately comes down to personal preferences and needs. And there you have it, folks. We've compared the GIGABYTE Z790 AORUS Elite Axe and the MSI Pro B650M-A WiFi across various categories. Remember, it all comes down to your personal preferences and needs, so be sure to check out the product links in the description below to make an informed decision. Don't forget to subscribe to Buy Smart for more product comparisons and tech reviews. Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.